let's go ahead and take a look at the ventilation system here in the Riverside greenhouse. So the first thing that we're going to look at is this overhead tube. It is connected to this fan, and here is the heating unit. And so when it turns on at a certain temperature that we set on the thermostat, all of these little holes start to blow hot air out and the entire tube inflates. Now I will say that it is pretty far above the planting tables, and there's a lot of overhead space, so we definitely lose a lot of heat just to the rise of that warm air. As far as the fans and cooling system goes, here we can see that we have a fan that's pointing outward, and it has louvers on it, which is really helpful for keeping things from flying in and out. While that one's on, this one has its louvers closed. Now moving to the back of the greenhouse, this is where we have our wet sort of swamp cooler. So we have these panels here that are 4 to 6 inches thick. It's just a fibrous corrugated cardboard. We start over here where we have a hose that fills this trough with water. The water runs down to this end. And here, we just have a really simple little pump. So this blue pump back here pumps water up through this, and then it fills this trough up here. Gravity takes the water down, and then the fans at the front of the greenhouse pull the air through, so the air coming out through these wet corrugated panels is actually many degrees cooler than the air is outside.